prepare for you some blackened salmon. I have added like a tablespoon of grapeseed oil in the pan. Just want to make sure it's hot enough before I add the fish in. And you can add a teaspoon of garlic powder to the outside of the fish. Just a pinch of cayenne pepper. Teaspoon onion powder. I have marinated this fish in just salt for about 30 minutes, so it should be well seasoned in the inside. This is a half a teaspoon of cumin, and a teaspoon of basil, and a teaspoon and a half of paprika. Okay, just gonna flip it over a little bit. Just gonna massage everything in. Okay, and we're going to take it to the stove. You want to make sure your skillet is really hot, which I could tell mine is. And just lay the fish down. And instead of being completely turn the fish over, the salmon, and then the other side cooked. You notice that it's smoking, but it's just burning off some of the spices. Good it looks. All right, I'm gonna now place it in the 350 degrees oven for like 10 minutes. Ooh, it looks so good. Smells good. So if you like this recipe, like, subscribe, and share this recipe with your friends and family. And tell me what you think in the comments section, okay? All right. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. I'm gonna cut a piece of it. So juicy. See how juicy it is? Very juicy. I'm gonna take a bite. It's very good. Very moist, soft, tasty. The salt has gone through the meat. marinated the meat really well. This is some really great blackened salmon. You have to try this recipe.